Good morning, girls. How are you? I hope you're doing great. Well, in times like these, before this blessed month starts, I just want to say let's empty our stomach and feed our soul with passion and positive attitude. What do you think of that? This is teacher Samah Alshajrawi, and today inshallah we have the last sight of the wonders of the United Kingdom. Are you waiting to discover it? Alright, here you go. As you can see, this place or this wonder of the United Kingdom is called the Giant's Causeway. Okay, let's listen to the paragraph and then explain it.
The Giant's Causeway. The Giant's Causeway can be found on the northeast coast of Northern Ireland and is one of the United Kingdom's most extraordinary attractions. There are about 40,000 basalt columns resulting from an ancient volcanic eruption. The tallest of the columns is about 12 meters high. The Giant's Causeway became a popular tourist attraction in the 19th century and remains so to this day. Visitors can actually walk over these extraordinary columns that are the home for seabirds such as the cormorant and razorbill and rare, unusual plants.
So the Giant's Causeway can be found on the northeast coast of Northern Ireland and is one of the United Kingdom's most extraordinary attractions. Okay, so let's start with the word attractions. Attractions, as we said before, means a place where tourists like to go and see. Now, what's the meaning of northeast coast? The word coast means an area of land beside the sea. Northeast coast of Northern Ireland. Look at this map. Okay, you can notice here this is in the United Kingdom, and here is Scotland, here is Northern Ireland, and you can see this mark over here in Northern Ireland directly at the coast, okay, which is the land next to the sea. Okay, these are the directions. As you can notice that the north is up here while the east is here. When we say, okay, if we put it over here, you can notice that this giant causeway is between north and east, almost in the middle. So we say that it is situated on the northeast coast of Northern Ireland. Do you understand? Yes. Okay, good. And that it's is one of the United Kingdom's most extraordinary attractions. Of course, extraordinary means amazing or impressive. Now, there are about 40,000 basalt columns resulting from an ancient volcanic eruption. The tallest of the columns is about 12 meters high. Okay, one by one. What's the meaning of basalt? Basalt is a dark green or black rock formed when hot liquid rock from a volcano becomes solid. So, like when the lava comes from the eruption of the volcano, when the lava comes out of the volcano, okay, and it cools down it turns into a black rock. That rock we call basalt, okay? Column, you know what's the meaning of column, right? It's something that rises up into the air in a straight line. I'm sure that you know what that means, and you can also find it in your booklet. The word eruption. Eruption means starting suddenly with a lot of violence or noise, like an explosion. We use it with volcanoes. So when a volcano pulls all the lava out of it, we call it eruption, okay? So basalt columns look like this. Look at them. They are black. They are formed in columns next to each other. And scientists say that these columns are formed from ancient volcanic eruption, like 60 million years ago, before even human being was on earth. That's what is believed. Long time ago. There is a legend in Ireland about the name the Giant's Causeway, okay? Why was it called the Giant's Causeway? They believe that there was a giant who wanted to travel from Ireland to Scotland, but he didn't know how to swim, so he started building these columns so he can cross the sea. It's only a legend or a mythical story. You don't have to believe it, because scientists have proved that it's made from basalt columns. Okay, do you understand? Good. Now, the tallest of the columns is about 12 meters high. So look at these columns. If we have measured the tallest one among them, it would be like 12 meters high up in the sky, right? The Giant's Causeway became a popular tourist attraction in the 19th century and remains so to this day. So when did tourists start to notice this place and find it really amazing and impressive to visit? In the 19th century, and remains so. It means that it is still the same, remains the same thing until today. Visitors can actually walk over these extraordinary columns that are the home of seabirds such as cormorant and razorbill and a rare unusual plants. Okay, one by one. Visitors can walk over these extraordinary columns. So people climb and jump from one column to another. I think it would be a very nice experience, don't you think so? And the Giant's Causeway is not just a nice place, nice natural place, but it's also a home for some rare and nice seabirds like cormorant. Do you know this bird, cormorant? Here it is. Look at how beautiful and charming it is. Look at the feather. Yep, it's really beautiful, don't you think so? Okay, would you like to see it? Okay, here you go. Not only the cormorant, but also the razorbill. This is the razorbill. It somehow looks like a penguin, but it's different because this one can fly. They have long wings and they can fly. Check this out. Okay, that's it for today. Now we have finished this reading comprehension text. I hope that you have enjoyed it. Please send me your feedback. Tell me what you think about it. If you need more help about the Giant's Causeway, check your student book at page 89 and your booklet at page 18. Please do your homework at page 19, true or false question. You can always contact me on my number or on my Instagram. I really welcome your questions and notes. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoy your weekend and start Ramadan positively and cheerfully. God bless you all, and please don't forget to pray for me. Your teacher, Samah Alshajrawi.